Hey guys, this is another video on Lapitech. We bought a Cricut Maker for my wife as a gift for her birthday, as she wants to start crafting some things. We went through a lot of stores and websites, and it was an expensive device. We found a better deal at Cricut.com. They have bundle on sale, supposed to be a bundle with all kinds of papers, toolkits, and everything. We don't know what's in there, or we're curious about that. So this is unboxing video. I just want to show everybody what comes along with this bundle. And there are different bundles. We bought the ultimate one. It comes with the papers and all kinds of crafting devices. There's another one where you get, I think, the pins and everything. That's a bundle rose or something like that. But anyway, so this is a top-end model on the Cricut machine lineup. We bought this along with the subscription, so it's actually $400. But if you take the Cricut subscription, they'll take like a 10% off of the whole purchase. So with taxes and fees, there is no shipping, obviously, because you're paying $400. With along that, so we paid like $404. So let's go ahead and unbox. I was thinking, let's unbox the bundle first and see what came up with this, and then the bigger box is basically the machine, so we'll unbox that later. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the bundle. So my wife is gonna help me out with the opening this box. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is a pretty solid packing, and it's got very good wrap inside. What it came along with is a bunch of foils. I guess there are like 12 foils. There are glitter foils, and then leather foil. I'm gonna put them aside. Stencil foil. There are different colors. Transfer tape. This one is adhesive foil. The other one is chalkboard foil. Next one is window cling. Next one I've got is premium outdoor glassy vinyl foil. The other one is iron foil. I don't know what that means. Other one is iron again foil. This is strong bond iron foil. And they gave us a bunch of paper stickers. I don't know if it's visible or not, but we'll try to make it. I'm gonna put them here. And there's 2 of them. Printable papers, and they gave us cardboard, so I can do crafts on cardboard. So you can do whole bunch of cardboard stuff on there. This is leather foil or sample, and there are various colors among what they gave us. I don't know if you can see them, but I'll try to show. And then there's another foil, adhesive foil. This is gold color. So I think there are like 12 foils that it came with. That's a lot of foils. And this is a Kraft board that you can use to do. We'll explore them later. And this is poster board, another goodie. And another one is fabric. There's a bunch of fabric, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fabrics in one bundle. So that's in the bundle. So let me show you what all it came up with. So that's the whole bundle. I'm gonna take you back so you can see the whole bundle itself. So that's a lot of material that you can play around with. So that's pretty much it on the bundle. Okay, so let's now go ahead and open the machine itself and see what's in there. So this doesn't have any exterior packing. So this came with the exact machine in the box. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I don't know what's in there. It could be just a machine, or it could be blades and everything in there. But it's pretty solid packing. As I said, it arrived a day earlier. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So what you see on top once you open the box is basically the actual box. I thought it's just a box and a machine, but inside there's another box, and probably that's the actual machine. So let's pull that up. So it says that it comes with these blades included in the box. That's a premium fine point blade, rotary blade, fine point pen, knife blade, and other additional tools you can purchase with. I don't know how to use them. I'm gonna do another video about maybe use them. I still have to learn a lot. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Wow, that's pretty heavy. So that's the actual machine, that machine box that it came with. It's a rose color, seems like. But let's go ahead and open that one, this box too. So the first thing you notice is, let's get started. I think those are the pins, rotary blades, and all that stuff. Let's go ahead and put that aside and open or unbox it. That's nice packing. So that's the actual machine, as you see. And a power cable that came along with it. Seems like a 12-volt power, but I'll have to see later what that power cable is. So let's go ahead and put this aside. Okay, so there's a couple other that came. I guess these are grip pads, or I don't know, it says LightGrip and FabricGrip. It's probably something to use with when you're cutting the fabric and the paper. Let's put them aside and see what's the purpose of them later. So I'm going to quickly show you the machine and all the parts that came along with it. Oh, that looks really nice. So that's the actual machine, and it's got plastic wrapped around. So if I have to open, I'll have to open it again or cut that one. So let's go ahead and look at the box, what it has, and I'm guessing those are the pins. So let's go ahead and open that one. Okay, that's a nice material, soft touch material. I'm guessing materials for the first project. So these are like samples, I think. I'll open that later when I'm actually working on it. So let's look at what else in the package. Open me first. So let's see what's in there. Unleash the beauty. Okay. Get connected. Oh, okay, so those are probably the instructions on how to connect them. Make little things, and those are the different guides that you can use while using the machine. So these are the actual rotary blade, I guess that's the name that I've seen on the box. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's look at any other that's included. So that's the instruction manual. We'll go through that in next video when I use it. So there's one other USB cable. I guess that's to connect with the computer, and that's the blade caps for rotary blade. And this is what is this? Let's see. That's a tip black. I think one of the blade, or pen maybe. And there's the warranty and replacement, whatever the guide that it comes along with. So that's pretty much in the box. Let me know your comments and questions so I can maybe go through. I'll do another video about how to use this Cricut machine, and I'll do a sample craft and see how that helps me. That's it from me today.